Good day everyone, my name is Nicole Francis B. Ramos and this is my presentation for my first examination in PE. I am Nicole Ramos and she is Nina Lasponia, my opponent. Scrabble is a word game in which 2 or 4 players score points by placing tiles, each bearing a single letter, onto a game board divided into a 15 by 15 grid of squares. The tiles must form words that, in crossword fashion, read left to right in rows or downward in columns, and be included in a standard dictionary. The board is marked with premium squares, which multiply the number of points awarded. 8 dark red or triple word squares, 17 pale red double word squares, of which one the center square is marked with a star or other symbol, 12 dark blue or triple letter squares, and 24 pale blue double letter squares. In 2008, Hasbro changed the colors of the premium squares to orange for triple word, red for double word, blue for double letter, and green for triple letter. But the original premium squares color scheme is still preferred for Scrabble boards used in tournaments. In an English language set, the game contains 100 tiles, 98 of which are marked with a letter and a point value ranging from 1 to 10. The number of points of each lettered tile is based on the letter's frequency in Standard English. Commonly used letters such as vowels are worth 1 point, while less common letters score higher, with Q and Z each worth 10 points. The game also has 2 blank tiles that are unmarked and carry no point value. The blank tiles can be used as substitutes for any letter. Once laid on the board, however, the choice is fixed. Other language set use different letter set distribution with different points value. Jenga is a game of physical skill created by British board designer and author Leslie Scott and currently marketed by Hasbro. Players take turns removing 1 block at a time from a tower constructed of 54 blocks. Each block removed is then placed on the top of the tower, creating a progressively more unstable structure. Once the tower is built, the person who built the tower gets the first move. Moving in Jenga consists of taking one and only one block from any level of the tower and placing it to the topmost level to complete it. Only one hand should be used when taking blocks from the tower. Blocks may be bumped to find a loose block that will not disturb the rest of the tower. Any block that is moved out of the place must be returned to its original location before another block is removed. The turn ends when the next person to move touches the tower or after 10 seconds, whichever occurs first. The game ends when the tower falls. The Math is a 2-player educational board game combining the board game The Math and Math. It is used as a teaching tool for both elementary and high school mathematics. Every piece has a corresponding number and each even white square or board has a mathematical symbol. The game is commonly played in all elementary and secondary schools in the Philippines. The board is similar to a checkerboard but with a twist. All even or white tiles on the board have a mathematical symbol which dictates the operation that will be used when a player's piece captures the opponent's piece. It has numbers labeled 0 to 7 on its sides to determine the coordinates of the piece. Each piece of the player has corresponding values depending on what type of damat is being played.